Good morning students, welcome back to the chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computer. Today we will learn operating system. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide a platform on which a user can execute a program in a convenient and efficient manner. Operating system allocate resources like CPU, RAM and input-output process to various application programs. There are two types of operating systems. Single-user operating system is a system in which only one user can access the computer system at a time. Multi-user operating system, more than one user can access the resource at one time. That is what multi-user operating system. Examples of operating systems are DOS, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, etc. Now, see the functions of operating system. First, user interface. Operating system enables the user to interact with it, so it acts as a user interface. It can be character based or graphical based. Then the second is application and process management. Operating system is responsible for allocating resources like memory, buffer area, CPU time for different applications. Database services. It allows us to create and manage databases. Device management. It controls the input and output data and from the peripheral devices. Then file management services. Operating system provides services for the user to create, copy, delete and rename files. Print services. Operating system allow user to set up printer and share them over a network. And communication services. Using the communication services, user can chat, message and send mails to each other. And the last, security. Multi-user operating system maintains security. For that, it provides ID and password for authorized users, so that the authorized users can only access the computer system. Now the students, our chapter 1 finished here, and in this chapter 1 fundamental of computer we have learned input process output system, computer languages, system software, compiler, interpreter, assembler, post, booting and operating system functions. Hope you understand all this.